Hello and what's up everyone, I'm back again with another video tutorial, and today's video tutorial is about Shopify. So today in Shopify we're gonna see that how you can create this drop down menu for your store. So here I have created this demo store here. It's a game selling store basically, and I want to show you how you can create this drop down in your Shopify store. So basically there are two levels of it. So basically we're gonna do it, and I'm gonna show you how you can create this drop down menu for your store if you want to do it. So let's jump in. So the first thing that you need to do is go to your editor, basically your store editor or the admin panel of your Shopify. So, and after that what you need to do is you need to create the pages that you want to add, or if you have created, let's suppose I've created here 2021 release, 2022 release and 2020 release basically. Okay, and after that if you haven't, then you can just click here, go to pages, and after that click on add pages, and here you can name the pages. Let's suppose it's going to be like demo, and after that if you want to add a description, but since this is just for an example sake, I would say demo, and I'll click on save. And just like this you have created a page. If you go back you'll see the demo exists there. Now simply go to navigation. Now what we are interested in is basically creating this drop down. So we want to create this drop down in our main menu, right? So you're going to click on our main menu, and after that, as you can see, here is the main menu. Now what we are interested in is basically adding those pages here, and then after that putting them in the main menu. So for that what we need to do is click on add menu item, and after that let's say name it. So for this one it's going to be like 2021. Okay, and after that it says the link. So basically what is the link to that page? So I know I created a page, so I'm going to click on pages, and after that it's going to take a bit of a loading, and after that it's going to show me 2021 release. I'm going to click on that, the link is automatically added from my store into it. After that I'm going to click on add. As you can see, it is added here. Now what I want to do is I want to drag it and put it inside this catalog. Now the idea here is basically if you drag it and you see this little header in front of when you drag it, this little header here, this round header, if it is here in the beginning of the column, then it's going to just snap on top of the page below. But if you drag it a bit and it shows like beneath, like a bit to the right from the catalog, then it means that it's going to go inside that page. If it's the home, then it's going to go inside that home page. So I'm going to go and drop it in the catalog, and once I do it, now it's going to be inside that menu. So basically you can just go ahead, do this, and click save. Right now for the third step, what we're going to do if we want to add something even inside the 2021, so again click on add menu item. Again I'm just go with demo that I just created and link to that page. Here it is, and after that click add. It's added here. What I'm going to do is again drag and just drag it here, and as you can see, if I drag it a bit to the right more, then it's going to show up like this. And now if I let go, it's going to go under 2021. So simply I created a category that there is a catalog of 2021, 2022, but if you go under if you go on 2021, inside 2021 there's a different basically branch coming out to that. So after this is done, what you need to do is click on save. It's going to take a bit of a processing to save, and once it saves the file, it's going to take a bit, and if you click on this view, this eye icon next to the online store, it's going to open your store right here. Now it might not immediately be effective, or it might be. It's going to take a bit, like it takes like 30 seconds to just refresh the page, by the way. And after that, as you can see, I just added 2021, and inside 2021 I added demo. So this is how you create a drop down menu in your Shopify store. So basically if you mess around with it, if you add more items, then basically with a proper description and proper naming, it's gonna look very beautiful. As I have created this for the demo purpose, as you can see, we have done something kind of like this. So basically the idea of adding a drop down menu on your Shopify store for just like this one is simply going to the online store here, add pages, the pages that you want to create. Basically, it's going to be different pages, right? You want people to go from this main menu to different pages on your website or on your store. So you have to create those pages here, and after that you will have to go to navigation, and inside navigation go to main menu, and inside main menu you need to add those pages here by simply entering the name, the link to those pages, click on add, and after that, let's suppose I'm going to do it again, click here on the link, pages, and inside the pages I'm going to go on, click on 2022, click on add. It's going to come here. Simply just hold it, drag it under catalog, and leave it. It's going to be under the catalog now. And now I click on save menu, and ta-da, it's going to appear in our online store under the catalog. Again, it might take a bit of a timing to load, but it is mostly effective under 30 seconds. So as you can see, it's available under our catalog. So this is how you create a drop-down menu for your Shopify store. So I hope you found this video helpful. If there is some confusion, if you can't figure something out, feel free to ask in the comment section down below, and I'll get to you guys as soon as possible. And yeah, make sure to press the bell icon, subscribe to the channel for more future videos just like this one, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.